red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. Kids, now you draw H, the alphabets of H, and use yellow color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O, the alphabets of O, and use sky blue color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U, the alphabets of U, and use black color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. Red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7, the numbers of 7, and use yellow color. Yellow color. 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use sky blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15, the numbers of 15, and use black color. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19, the numbers of 19, and use green color. 19, 20, 21. Kids, now you draw 22. The numbers of 22 and use dark blue color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26. The numbers of 26 and use red color. Red color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.